Hi, GC News. Beba Owuya Akwaba. Had the latest and hot news in Kwanam de Prempeh. And so we subscribe or more than say we subscribe to their channel. Dobe Anas over click the subscribe button. Now what barely verification we are be uploading on the first person I would have a video. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for so now we be here now and summer echoso ewo Ghana memoir. I feel you and summer abeto ye proso. NPP, the party NPP is you mean some ayedija. Now I the president and all the Kwaku Addo. I'm a party on the party it means a party and simply room echoso. The business is zero, so Nippon free party obeko a year independent. Now Nipa was to say or no why not this obeko independent a year Cynthia Morrison. Now you hear the story about him. You hear story. Was a 2024 election. NPP MP Cynthia Morrison declares intention to go independent. That is why I say obeko a year quantum crop. Now you hear a story. Say the new patriotic party NPP member of parliament for Aguna West Cynthia Morrison has declared her intention to contest in the 2024 parliamentary election as an independent candidate. Let us say why not say or no obeko a year quantum crop. Speaking to some of her constituents in a viral video, Cynthia Morrison, the former Minister of Gender, Children and Social Protection of the Akufo Addo government, indicated that she is going independent because of her love for the people of Aguna West. She said, "Woko say Otoa Woma Nipa Ewoye Aguna West." Now, what was I was say? She said that she does not care who wins the presidential election, adding that her focus is to be retained as the representative for the people of Aguna West, so that she can finish the work she has started. She said, "The good type and say, and the focus is say, Obekoso a year MP ama Nipana Ewo a year Aguna West for say you pa washasi obetimi every year." Say some of you have started campaigning for me. God willing, I'll be contesting the parliamentary election as an independent candidate. Just anybody be a shall campaign man, and Aremeyaw Anas will be contested as content crop. Also, I'm going to have another discussion with you where I will give you the reasons for my decision. It is not about the NDC, it is not about the NPP, it is about the development of Aguna. What they say, any NPP assem, any NDC assem, name say be ya imputu ebeba a year Aguna holo. The former gender minister added that I don't care whether you vote for former President John Dramani Mahama or Vice President Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, but the most important thing is for you to vote massively for Cynthia Morrison, so I can come and complete the work I started. Now, what means Mami NPP when the Prime Minister want to call ya to say Owusu yero, and I'm no say or yana be so be ko. And then say every party once I will independent, let's say party na we free. Now only I hear NPP for be brave, do na want to go independent. When independent free party no to say we go independent, that means NPP party ma enko yi. You sure kwame A+ bibi a ono go gina as independent no. Chairman na work ma NPP for Okutina platform so declare the support ma A+. And noti ama a party no afina sense to say suspend a year chairman no was a constituency one. What was say dem be ko yi e party. Na yentie a Cynthia Morrison means some of the to the bra share among for home work and some yentie and some of the to that. Yentie
Matuna nankra na wa frɛ nyina ye won komo bia meje botu enyim me ba me ma me no bi na wo di meti ko su ho wo so ho wa ate na wa start one campaign kwa de yes no one ka sa ho ko kuma wa was wa hye one campaign ase nyame ya duma maba kontin kwa aya na me be me bia Amani do suniti se wo wie dan na se bobo e dan na onu na kromani nyina ye hia sa ha ne ye be hie o se school ho ne ye be hie o na ya bon komo na ma midin cheche me na to wanyim sa na ma menyi ho na dwendwen ho no ho so amama dwen because obandama onye NDC onye NPP oya abuna ma na mi gina mo ho se ye do Muhammad na ba to ma do ma mo na onye masam Bawumia na bottom of Bawumia on your master. No mom, MP no double view all time. Oh, you are watching Cynthia Morrison on YouTube. What to Abanama and all time. Satina, make sure someone can go there 50 years. Then Daba can obey on money name what? On money for every that's it.
You take away and some of your Cynthia Morrison. I was to say what declared intention of what wanting to say independent. Now to say anyone could be a party. Now, some way or your Kennedy Agyapong, Papa, Kennedy Penassi, Pa. Now, means that Kennedy Befa, yes, as a good. Now to say NPP party, anyone could use good brother independent, well, party independent. Now, and some of the two that yes, our reaction here about to the
Miss Cynthia Morrison, the former MP, okay, or MP, right? Because yeah, Prime Minister and the two that's MP for Gomua East. Now, you call MPP Prime Minister, no? The only a bar in Central Region or support for Honorable Ken. If you a party for a moment, a party or media, one could support the Bawumia to Kwaku Annan. Mama so called independent. I mean, say or is there or a certain MP? Also so called independent. Or independent. The video no cohere.
Shabu, Franco. Mama can't send back control. There be a catcher say. Never Akufo Addo say be a samado pie crua. Ebian can rebel. But Franco, say MPP part me break it, me survey this election. The MPP could push me. Me come back say. Me said you need to but the first time a political party, a contest, independent as spring room. NPP 2024. It tells you people are not happy with the party. People are not happy with the decisions of the party. That is a reality. And the party for more trade. Shabula Sisi. You say the new patriotic party, the cardinal principles and reasons why it let a lot of people join the party. One lady in Central Region. Or Baba who you name say at the power, I do feel ye. And drunk as also cycling also mepamono. Oh, Kennedy Agyapong, nice or cycling. So mepam. Always I give you a certain kind of example. Shabo, I will be a calm see you. Neka Mekaso be see you. Meso come went here. He was a preferred candidate for the masses. Apart from the jurisdiction of the MPP, the internal contest of the MPP, are you to Panasem and when you for Panasem says so to what a member of parliament in the name of the new patriotic party is Aremeyaw. Mr. Noho and the Mahmoud Bawumia and the convoy and the buy or mobile. Ya can't say Aremeyaw is embedded over a friend Kweku Agyarko. A boy for Cabo say until said the guy makes an open declaration. Say the name open one. I catch them a delegates so Montwamba and Fama over a friend Mahmoud Bawumia. So when you started on C4, I'm saying this on authority.
Hot news all time.
No, so catch them say, oh no, one can't just delegates. They say they should move to one area. Was it delegates? But don't move free from Metro Mabadiakon or Monton Franco. They had issues with him, and they said, "Sir, a brandy or money with deep parliamentary candidates." Ah, Shabu, me say when you need your work, you didn't say make a year. Who will be on Kotoba? Your friend of Kwasi Secondary School. Kwasi Secondary. When you Kotoba that day. Omo buy ya best. And you see, Shabu. Omo Trabano. After some few days to the election, I never actually Trabano. You see military deploy Omo Bawumia. Military Omo Bawumia. And it's what you said the Attorney General of Bawumia.
Okay, you go for Odame.
Ah, of Bawumia.
Okay.
Asante Media too was there. Do you know why? Reason in say Omo Bawumia create a certain kind of impression. Say Mahmoud Bawumia Akufo Addo mo say on betimi ni Kwabena Prempeh na ye adwuma. Shall we tell you because he's coming from the inner circles of Kennedy Agyapong. Shall we say that my heart bleeds for the new patriotic party. A do baby, no who's a month for Niabre. Now Ocean painful ye no ma ba kum ye no miensa ye tro baby Shabula Sisi na Kwabena Prempeh. Hey, I'm telling you. But if you go to Wenchi right now, they are pushing for other time to come as an independent candidate.
Mekameko.
On to Subuzia Manibia. Shabu.
On put over free party.
There be some papa the tea party.
And how I'm
Nebano into Mutimi. Who to say, your father said, Jacob for us or 10 every party.
Yeah.
And Shabu. Kwajo Frimpong me se no water kwade. Tell no water kwade. Poor man so fit kwade ba wenchi.
Kwa beso.
Ni port radio ni TV so he cannot even recognize of wenchi. Shabuti o, me ni free beti yi. Ni free wenchi na tabu. Me ya bomni pio. And this na see din na dia. Ni wenchi na me fi.
Yeah.
Obian so wenchi na me fi. Anytime I go to wenchi, me kwa kwatra radio so akasa, me kasa no obian so me wenchi ni. Besabu. Me fit akrade am me nko order me nko want me na de kwa me kwa kasa me fit akrade. But because Albert Amia was their target. Unza na another. Albert Amia class what they share public now and making the pronouncement about his future. A lot of people thought that the guy was going to say so independent. But he said he's going to give his support to the new patriotic party. Sabu. Now me class some NPP for a year. And our friend who good party no me say open the public who good party pie and another than Akufo Addo. And the past time person their mammy NAPO. The past time person, enter the past time person say now me catch us on package their compare Kweku Agyapong. Said Mahmoud Bawumia will never will is a foregone conclusion with the president.
I saw the night team for.
Jose,
yes, so the
I don't want Masama.
I saw the night team.
Shabla Sisi, nature make us ask some actually say. If you look at the new patriotic party and then another down Akufo Addo, among for they have sacrificed for the party, they've shown commitment and dedication for the party, they are running away from the party.
Ade, why must it be so?
Watching Juicy
now me catch you. Only 3 years as the leader of the party. Man, this NPP just won't be free party. And Akufo, he spent 12 years as a leader for the new patriotic party. Man, take that. So we saw your NPP were giant NPP coming before flow. And Akufo Addo, when lead party for 60 years, Akufo Addo, I like you. Out of 32 years of the NPP in this fourth republic, we're leading for 16 years. Out of the 16 years, no, big men in the NPP are running away.
To be a man about no call.
Don't be a example for him to a Ganeko. Alan Chamati were 22 times. Ever some at 3 times, Gradia Minim, Sadiq Boniface a Gane, Hopes Nadoye Gane. Look at how big men are running away. So it's also one echo Cynthia Morrison. Yeah. Although the Nanka saw a cycle and was say, oh, now you know, from Kwaku Annan compare with the point G or the Ometro Benetia.
More is
Ometro Benetian because they know, say, won't me mommy agenda near Pessi pushing agenda into Yajuma. But a serious way, go and watch the kind of people who are going on independent, moving from the new patriotic party and going as an independent candidate.
Wow.
Shall I see also? They should not joke with it. Well, I'm not question around for the Ghana. Maybe
around for so costume to Sunyani is so.
Now, I make quite clear your man for flight and Nam Konongo. My who MPP be so independent. Yeah,
I say sort of from rather concert.
When I saw them, I go to make a Konongo. The guy is going independent. Oko Pienso Asante Achimona, Kojo Bamona. I saw a guy, no, he's also going independent. Go and look at other places. So say, hey, Obama. Oh, House of Folk, oh, me affinity.
Ozoko.
Oh, why the deputy minister crapping?
Ozoko.
Me affinity.
But frankly, but party person break it. That's how Nyama we air cost. Is the future bright?
It tells you the party is not attractive anymore. And how is it not attractive?
So why is the party leadership not sitting down to put things together? That's the money man or branch.
Oko positioner. I you see me to be right. Oko positioner. Me, now me to one I'm saying. Some Akufo to break the 8, then we should psych our mind. Say they can do anything in Ghana. And only. So
I want to say, now must break 8. I want to
me say, look at how the party is unattractive today. And I attack that program tantan the West program people are quality or internet no streaming yet and feeding yet. Say, but to a sense, obitimi say Akufo Addo cafe toffee. No, it's also it had the security there was even problematic. Anna, Nipo China, and not professional cameraman view, and then some phone. Party for never no tell so a phone Akufo Addo or taffy toffee. May say, we got out of a community. Oh my God, I say about it. Oh my God, I say about it. The end as I video in Kuano should be a case study for the NPP. Do you know why? It tells you say there are some people in the NPP today who are better and they are peeved, but they can't talk. Because cameraman be anyone interest in say or man penny did you check everything. So can he cameraman be anyone all political interest. Oh, yeah, NPP will trust Adi. See, you know, trust Adi. This was the first time.
And I didn't check. And your camera, yes, camera can you check a phone, yes, and to mean a party bar. And I make a packet or chop from a soul as my county. Meaning, say, you penny NPP, but is not happy. I didn't want to try the good aspect of the president, not try the negative aspect of the president and put it into the public domain. And Cynthia Morrison, because of supported Kentino, my partner for parliament, and he said, let do so, course, that's a question. As Sammy, can you go to the woman? And only ask now me tell Papa Kennedy Agyapong. Also the SCBS or no TV cha. That I have issue with Kennedy. Do you know why? A individual interest. Kennedy compare Kwaku Agyapong. Obi bet my your bonnet make us out their channel. Obi wa na yire boy Gyamfi. Oh, Shabule. For the bet channel na atra. Me no. Obi ko hu se na yire no obi kaka phone so pe obi ja no. Uni me. Some you na man who say won prema sama. News on YouTube. Some say me kwada me wasam kwa papa. Yes, I was there for free. Oh yeah, na me feel cry. I'm prema sama me hwani. And you see how things are going. Shabu is extremely dangerous for the new patriotic party, I'm telling you. Not just dangerous, extremely dangerous. How people are running away from the party. Big men, influencers in the party. Obi Adwane baako mienu miensa baako mienu miensa amanfo Dwane serious o Shabu is serious ya Babia Samoa no Dwane Hobson no Dwane no Hinto no Dwane Boniface no Dwane. Look at how people are running away from the central region. A swing region, and by the central western region, central already Musis in Maka, Mensah NPP diagram as in South. You can't make pen you do take. Who's also independence? Also going independent. Anani Odote is going as an independent candidate. Yes, so now we can see it in the crowd after Kennedy Agyapong and him. How I say, not all sign, oh, good, what issues are, and also they ever come. Mama, na seat look at NPP. So we need power crack a new hang parliament and also a governance. You have the executive, but with the legislature, you don't have it. How even quite hang parliament here, Bob and Tesson, more bread. Who's NPP for Munsiadia? I won't see. I know we are Babu and people. I won't say Musiadia. The C 2020 elections, you know, should be a case study for them, especially taking decisions. Because see. When you see 2020 now, Yankopon be when no say no, there are some things more here to create problems for you. 2020 137. And I dance from a Boab, Mambania 138. The reason why I mark 137 is that there were a lot of people they were better to play it safe. Let's try to make sure so if you look at the internal elections that you are going, it should be a free and fair manner. The bell will be winning, the bill will lose, will be any asset. But the better independent candidate be on Obama Chacha as CMO. Obama good cross over the memo. I see my conditions now the buy, and not for Sao. Shabby, when you be at the say, for my conditions or the buy, and not for Benipan you coach your Mensah. Nipanin, a coach your Mensah. I'll be a neck, and I can't compare Kwaku Agyapong. A bit many Akoto. No more you bottom sick at Yetia. Tebimu. A bit number such na. Nipa the conditions bebano. On Cascasamu. Now condition of the bebano. Because a deputy president and a prime minister. And I'm going to go to South Africa for Jacob Zuma. So I saw what Tennessee denotes. Oh, these are the internal issues I see to be solved. Where Sammy Morrison. A pure case of sabotage. Yeah. Because a pure case supported Ken. How can say region, central region, the first time you have a president, our NPP ni. Na central region NPP na kwa sababu kwa mwali biya Kennedy Agyapong. Maame fisa at the power fear oye. Adana all na po betra central region at the power fear de ye. Na maame Cynthia Morrison na at the power fear ye no support Ken na. Na masola ganye tia. That is it. Na Ghana for more bruchi. I'll make this an appeal. So saying I want to do a t-shirt for Maame. Morrison. Or why am I so proud with t-shirts? Independent candidate. Because with the Oyama Ken, and that Ken, Miana May, what did they say? They are now, we feel wrong. I am for more Chromo say, Mamma, best. You see, what kind of crap? A plus Chromo, yeah. Who say, are you NPP chairman or yeah? Why campaign my organizer? Dabi chairman no so.
Almost suspended. I don't think. I don't know breaking news. Some of them catch us in Sulu Dembi. You follow a chairman on Goma Central. Yeah. NPP chairman, when you organizer. Tell some organizer, which I was NPP chairman. Only say, only a chairman. Or the catch of my body, the month to my Bawumia. No, a do some more to parliament to A+. Who see their cassette? Who will be about that I am one. Are you serious? Chairman of Goma Central Constituency, NPP, is campaigning for an independent candidate. What's say? By claims they should vote for the president. What's say? Or no, you MPP chairman. But that's what chairman. No, Kajom Zapano. Or they do presidential Montuma Bawumia. Parliamentary Montuma A+. Okay, some organizer. Organizer, no class or no crown, no A+. On a serious. Okay, a call Goma, or there's a Goma Central. Chairman said, Yen Twaba Emma Bawumia, Yen Twabantia PC, and Toma Independent. Pussy guy could do one. Constituency chairman say, Yen Twabantia Bawumia, Yen Twama PC. What? Things fall apart. The center cannot hold. The center cannot hold. We say Twama Bawumia, Twabatia PC. We say Twama PC, Twabatia Bawumia. It's a MPP. Oh, Swanty the Biayaka and the Bawumia of unrealistic idea. The bus credit scoring. Just say, yeah, church I didn't want. Fact, me say, yo, coma. When the NDC was in power and MPP was in opposition, now the Kwaku Annan and the MPP told us, say, or they are going to fight against corruption. They be an car. The super president back when it comes to corruption among for target and say it's more corrupt. It's on the money, mama. A do baby, I see why you misika. And no kind of most time you try you. A do baby, I see Kanazway. You do baby, I see confirmed to come Burkina Faso. Look at the kind of corruption target they target on the money, mama. Ford expedition of $60,000. Yes, it's coming 32 million Ghana cedis. A whole lot of Mary negotiation, Mary deal, or Pesca Yanis and money now. The NPP in opposition told us, say, if they come to power, they are going to fight against corruption. Shabu, they be a catch or say, corruption, they are not cool for power. And they say you are fighting against people who are not within your jurisdiction or domain. Now, if you are fighting your enemies, so it's a minute one ras, any Austin. You are never say we are so ras at this guy. Then we are fighting and say we are credible. Fighting against us is more difficult than never say to woman, baby. Yeah. They make what I say. Because he is part of us. Yeah. We eat and die and wine together with him. We move together. And it's only if you are fighting with them every day. Made I want cast them to win. Ghanaian politicians, in a scale of 100%, 99.5 can never fight corruption in Ghana. Not maybe for frankly. A Ghana for as of a politician. And your matter is Roma Pentecost in Kremufo. I was on phone anymore. And the deputy Opoku saw them one day go to. I saw them corruption. I saw them. And I saw them corruption. Hey, now saw them never be a general overseer near say a campaign, general overseer to be a chancellor for company for or Kwamunika come from Tunsu. To say first, now I say Kwaku Annan Piebot Kusun Konkon and I could have Presby. One person you moderate a month for your campaign. They are not looking at competence and what God is saying. Committed is any other jurisdiction or a district or a region. And as I say, when you're professor, net doctor, we don't recognize and regard you. The man you go in Nipan. Yeah, Nipan be you. Shabu, you know you're better. And to have the boy here. What kind of crew? And you see, the politicians that they are sitting there, almost one was Vezima, they are trying to give me a payment plan. I want to ask one particular question. What about the double salary? Me say, and the penny me say, damn me, my guess is Safa Ghana politician, especially another than Akufo Addo. So let's fight against corruption. And that is that double salary. That day I said to myself, say, it was a grand opportunity for Akufo Addo to leave a legacy. Not what you are for. These are Ghanaian parliamentarians, how much is Samira? They know the nitty-gritty about law. Shabu or what Tembrase, they know say if you take double salary, they are the money, they know. They take double salary. So they rebel. We must say that double salary. Me say, Honorable Ken, by the Prime Minister.
I don't frame what Shaibu. I know you are not on the campaign salary.
Yes.
Because would you pay or HFM?
Okay.
Wouldn't mean double salary.
Yes. Okay.
And I'll give you an allowance.
Thank you.
And to when you're MP, now you're minister,
yes.
you take an allowance as a minister.
Thank you.
Because already MP,
yes.
you try.
Thank you.
Now, I'm saying, I don't think about the framers of the constitution here. Said, except by a bino and our president, I appointed most of the ministers from parliament.
Yes.
So that I'm compared no money because say 12 minister will be a minister. See, 12 can be I think 1 billion. Will be a MPB to be 200 million. Maybe a Yaman allowance be 10,000. And your moderate better 30,000. That's what you 100,000. And this is Papa and not Jenny or Jenny Ghana. You can't take double salary. So what the OGP or HFM, I'm going to give you an allowance. An allowance, it was an allowance. So it tells you say he's a member of parliament and he understands the law. Thank you. Now, if you look at Akufo double salary uniform, these are big men in Ghana. Double salary, no. And they have admitted it. And Bako in your Bible speaker. Bako yes. In your Bible speaker. Yeah. What Jatum said they paid him double salary. And you near brace if you are fighting against corruption. Caban Bagman can just what they speak of. Ah, you Kroma. Now the back account numbers and it's coming to 2 million. I never quite a yan say. When a man is mean check as a phone. Sink it one. And I want you to say, think it one. I said that if you but the video won't me, you bet me the year bit is a minority leader. I don't do something. Acquaintance do. I can't a Babby with Tim. Minority leader, majority. But tell me the deep burn was on the sound of Chinese scandal more. Look at somebody like Martinamid. Who's the kind of pen who say, ah, I never see Carabi. And I'll say, you. Barry Franklin, I dear Barco Swam, Mon Ghana say. See a person too sad way, I see. Or said a Ghana, or second young Podako, who dream in our flying. Nakosabuni Pafra. Honorable Ken say, Akoto Phoebe. I won't come here for Bono. And one who said, the auto fear channel, why ye in legal connection. ECG. Or by report on because honorable Ken winning. No, I love mother. I can't come over there. Honorable Ken crazy. Or by report to Mamma. First thing they said, come up, dear, or 2 few more honorable Ken. Moko Penny. Now we previous KBO's will cheer. Could I be more complaint of power loss? I don't that John Abu can say, Sa illegal connection, Mumba rectify one minute quanquat refuse, or see what quite the I say, or mine, a Japadi and full beyond. First, I mean, what could be a pipe or be a pipe, not a for Ghana water for. Or from my portrait at the moment. I say, I said, what I pipe. When I saw a form call, as you know, man, I do a man to play, and will be obeying the least opportunity to be no man, no it's your man. Kebusan said, in the first place, in the self door, there is a discrepancy of our system. How comes it with you be cabroso? Also, a seer, a Tessisa, who had double salary NPC, it was a minister, I was deliberate. And I say, mistake Benqua. This guy is more honest than the politicians. And I him. Yes, because I'm actually he has admitted and he's paying it. Oh, Papa, your friend is saying, oh, Papa, when this is what done when NPP. Aloto Jacobs. Yeah. What say? On the NBC MPs now, because they are going to use their S gratia to pay the double salary. They are going to use their S gratia to pay. Martinamino said another down Kwaku for is using to blackmail the NDC. So are you going to pay plus an interest? Franco. So what kind of come from Franco? God is caro. Maybe your books will be at 10,000. Maybe a 5,000 sister Franco. What to Kumato Tinka out your brutal 6,000, 5,000 you see. But when you go to a remote area, there's 6,000 betting a year. Over baby, that is a shortage of anti-snake bacillus. There's a shortage of gloves keke. Woko baby no na parasita paransuo kwa wanhye asa koma no na ni ho woko baby no na ye petrol kra de e dia sharpem for yenya bi. Do you know what 6,000 now the guy de ye to identify no na the yehu me say And yes, sorry, Sadly, a bubble base. Yes, the IMF $3 billion.
Go and listen to Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Alan say, Ghana, corruption, if you're able to see corruption, we will go back to IMF. Obama comes to Ghana, say we should build stronger institutions, not stronger personalities. MPP in opposition, Akufo has never been corrupt, or near corrupt that. And Akufo Addo, he's going after corrupt people. Akufo Addo, will blame him more for no one by him.
Yo, waiting for winning and someone about to the Cynthia Morrison, Abona West, just say, Mammy was a walk, a year particular is a NPP party on Akasa. You might be brave and Kuyi, Akufo Addo buy a party in some might be brave, Yama at the upon some. Because this is so, and I will know. So we can subscribe or more than say, we subscribe. It's also had the latest and hot news in Kwanamide, Premo. I thought we are like video, no fee, share my offer for so when you be here, I will and someone and Koso. Also, bet me actually what you fire and somewhere you know I will comment box me. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.